Dive into the XLOOKUP function like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match, and XLOOKUP. Discover which is better and learn a professional tip at the end on using multiple criteria in any lookup. Watch the full video and stay tuned till the end. Welcome to WorkSmart Hub. I would love to get your feedback, questions, and suggestions in the comments. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video and subscribe and hit the bell button for more exciting videos like this. Share it with your friends. Let's dive into VLOOKUP first. We have this lookup table showing the price of each fruit. When the user enters the fruit name, it should reflect the price from the table. Let's write the formula. Start with an equal sign, VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this, comma. Table array is this, comma. The table index number is 2 because the price is in column 2 in the selected table array, comma. And we select exact match. Close the bracket and press enter. We got $6 here, which is the price of orange from the table. Let's type banana and you see the price changed to $2, which is the price of banana in the table. Let's try apple and you see the price changed to $5. This is how you use VLOOKUP to get data from a table based on certain criteria. Let's go to example 2. Here we have same example, but the twist is in lookup table, which is horizontal instead of vertical. Therefore, we use HLOOKUP. Let's write the HLOOKUP formula. Select this as lookup value. This is the table array. Row index number as 2 and exact match. There we got $5 as apple's price from the table. Let's type banana and you see the price change to $2. The third example shows you the limitation of VLOOKUP. Let's quickly write the VLOOKUP formula just like we did in the first example. And it shows the result correctly. Now the twist. Let's say someone wants to insert a quantity column between fruit and price in the lookup table. Once inserted, you can see the price of apple changed to $1, which is the quantity instead of the price, which was $5. This is the limitation of VLOOKUP. Let's undo quickly and write another formula to overcome this problem. Index. Select the array, which is the output or price, comma. Type another formula match. Select the lookup value and lookup array, which is fruit. Exact match. Close the bracket twice and press enter. Here you can see we get the results from the price column just like in VLOOKUP for apple, banana, orange, and so on. Now let's add the quantity column and see if price has changed. Here you see the formula is still giving us the correct price from the correct column. This is a clear win-win for index match over VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. In our fourth example, we use XLOOKUP. This is the lookup value. This is the lookup array, fruit. And this is the return array, price. A simple formula and you get the results quickly. You can insert columns, but it won't change the output or price. Let's try the same formula as an alternative to HLOOKUP. Here you can see this is also working flawlessly. XLOOKUP is simpler formula compared to index match, which was better than VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. But here I think XLOOKUP is the winner. The only problem with XLOOKUP is that it's available in Office 365, 2021 and web version only. You cannot use it in older version where index match is definitely the winner. And now our last bonus tip is to use multiple criteria in any lookup. We'll use XLOOKUP, but you can use any lookup function. Now we have a twist. The price of each fruit depends on whether it's large or small. Insert a column here called helper column. Join the fruit and size with an ampersand. Copy and paste till the end of table. Now let's use the simple XLOOKUP formula, but the criteria would be fruit and size. The lookup array would be helper column and the return array would be price. This way you can retrieve the data from the table using multiple criteria. You can see I am changing the criteria and it's giving me the correct output price. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon.